The Parliamentary Public Accounts Committee has noted irregularities in the awarding of a contract in 2019 to Honeybee to supply medical kits to the Ministry of Health. Besides being issued with a wholesale pharmaceutical license, notwithstanding 17 deficiencies noted by the Zambia Medicines Regulatory Authority, the committee chaired by Mchinga lawmaker Howard Kunda has also heard Honeybee was issued with the said license on a weekend. Appearing before the committee, ZAMRA Director for Laboratory Services, Bonaventure Chilinde, could not also explain why the authority issued the said license despite an earlier recommendation not to do so.
Chair, I need to submit that the license which was issued in 2019 was based on the fact that the plan was to attend to certain deficiencies noted as in the report. And ZAMRA inspectors had been following up with the client. And on that particular day, on the Saturday, I remember there was a team that visited the facility to counter-check. Initially, the team was supposed to go on a Friday, but due to operational challenges, they did not visit the facility on a Friday. The more reason they visited the facility on the Saturday. On a Saturday? Yes.
And Sunday?
Saturday, that's when they visited the facility and they did a report on the Sunday.
One of the directors at Honeybee, Zaka Motala, was nevertheless given a chance to give the side of his company's story.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. As I mentioned earlier, that if additional information was required, we would have reverted back to the agency.
Are you satisfied that this is the kind of documents that you would be presenting to the government department for you to get a contract?
Thank you, Honorable Chair. When we were actually putting together the documents, we engaged a consultant, and the consultant put together this document. He used his expertise, and that is how the document, he was satisfied, and that is how the documents were submitted.
The committee, however, demanded that Honeybee gives addresses of the companies it had previously supplied medical kits in 2 days.
Because they are the ones who provided those letters. So would like, yes, I've taken note, would like you to provide that information, the addresses for those companies where you supplied. And I'm sure if you supplied, like you are saying, you should have addresses to where those items went. So we should have that in 2 days. Yes, Honorable Anthony Mumba.
The Public Accounts Committee had been considering submissions from the Ministry of Health over procurement irregularities cited in the latest Auditor General's report. Lazarus Sichula, Move TV News.